Hi, in this video I'm going to try to explain how to preserve convexity in complex shapes, an issue raised by Georgi GR. And basically he has this U-type shape um, for a roadway, and he wants to make it a geometry, but because of its convexity, it's a non-convex shape, it's concave, meaning that if I would pick a point here and here, let's say on this face, and draw a straight line, that straight line would be outside the model volume. Now, Arma doesn't understand that, so what we'll try to do is it's going to fill up this hole, and I'll show you how later. So I'm just going to make a copy of this object, just to show you the difference later, what's going to happen. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start selecting polygons on this, and I'm going to detach it, not to element, to a separate object. So like this. Until I have every cubic section as a separate object. It's done very quickly. Of course, if you have higher segmentation, this is not going to be this is going to be laborious. So make your model as simple as possible to begin with, and then go through this process. Okay, well, the second thing is that geometry does not understand open volumes. So if, for example, you would see this, you could see that there's a polygon missing. So what I'm going to do, for every object that's selected, I'm going to select the border control. I'm just going to press Control A and then go cap. I'm going to do this, and the quick keyboard shortcut, so 3 to select border, Control A, and if you have a button for cap, then use that. If you don't, then just press the button. 6 to unselect. Select. And the last one. Now what this did is it closed up all the missing faces, so now every cube is closed. Oh, and you're done. So select everything, export it as 3ds or OBJ if you want. I'm gonna go export selected, replace my geotest, and just import it into Max. Wow, let's just select all the on it, import. You can see that every part is selectable as its own object. I'm just gonna copy, paste this into the geometry, and now you're gonna see the difference. So what I'm gonna do is select everything and then go to structure, convexity, and component convex hull. This is necessary for the geometry to work in game. And now it's obvious what happened. So the single object U has been closed to make sure the volume is closed, while this remained to be the same. And if you can see our selection, every part has its own component name, which is essential for the geometry. Well, I hope that helps.